I'm Fukurou Crochet.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 3 more designers that I want to introduce to you. First of all, I have to apologize. I do have a cold, so I do sound a little bit stuffed up. I hope you appreciate that I've edited out the worst coughs and sniffles. So let's get started with this cute and colorful lot made by the designer DIY Fluffies. And it's a fun group of Amigurumi animals that have wonderful clean lines, modern, sleek, very cute, and they make perfect little gifts for everyone who loves little animals, kids, and well, maybe you just want to make your own. I love this cat in a hoodie. He's adorable. Little pug, ready to go to the office. And we're moving on to the next designer. This one is called Fukurou Crafts. Fukurou Crafts, you can tell over here. I'm guessing this is a Japanese designer. Very colorful and very cute, but quite a different kind of look to it. Bears, very, very nice. I love the styling of these photos, a very Japanese thing. A lot of back shots. I love this little jacket and tie this little bear has on, absolutely adorable. And apparently the eyes that are closed are a trademark for this designer. Little catty cat, oh, so adorable. A little bow tie, looks very snazzy. And a nice little pink nose, very, very nice. And he's a happy little frog, also with a snazzy bow tie. And a little bunny. I love that the ears are so close together. It gives quite a different look to it. And I just noticed that the edges of the applique on white pieces have a little embroidery on them. Very nice. Adorable. I like the two-tone colors. Very nice. A little panda bear. And a little heart for a nose. Did you see that? Adorable. This is the next designer, called Poppa Poppen, and also cute animals with little striped. I'm a sucker for animals in striped clothing. Very nice. Massive ears, this rabbit. Perfect for Valentine's Day with the heart, isn't it? A little cheeky monkey with a cool cap. I love the way the ridges of the eyes are done. Very nice. And they're best friends. That cap is so cool. They have long arms. Not strictly an animal, but still a fun little project here. Not sure what it's supposed to be, but it is very cute. And these are the baby teething rings. Cute little bunnies. Perfect for baby shower gifts or in some sort of, to put in like a basket that you put together for new mums and babies. Absolutely adorable. And this is the back of a lion. Look at that mane. I love that they use different colors for the mane. That's so cool. And this is the one, I suppose it's the girl lion without the manes. And that nose is absolutely brilliant. Fierce looking lion. I mean, the manes have to be a lot of work, but it's totally worth it. Little stripy bear there again. I love the different colors in the ears. And another teething ring with a little owl this time. And more owls. And more owls. Very, very nice. And that's it for the 3 designers, cute animals. I hope to see you again very soon, and I wish you happy crocheting.